What's good, YouTube? It's your boy from Mad Trucks back again with another video. Out here today, I thought I'd make a short video on kind of the last thing I'm gonna do on the big F-250 for a little while. It's pretty much, I've done everything that you can do. Sorry about the sun out here, man. It is hot out here in Northern California right now. Let me see if I can get a better location. The shade, is that better? There we go. Yeah. So the intake I'm gonna show you in a second, the cold air intake that I'm going with is going to be the Afe. I think it's called the Momentum or something like that. It's like the higher end, kind of heavy duty Afe cold air intake for the 2005 to 2007 6.0 Powerstrokes. I was originally gonna go with the SMB, which I think the SMB is a great intake, but number one, everyone has it, and I always like to do something a little different, and I'm going to show you another reason why I went with the Afe and not the SMB. So as you can see here, I've gotten the old air filter taken out, which is pretty easy. You can find those videos everywhere on YouTube. And this is the first part of the Afe piece right here. Now the SMB, which some people may think this is a good thing, they replaced this whole factory piece back here, and honestly I would rather keep my factory piece right here and keep this all factory and then replace it and just replace the pieces that I need to. So this only, the Afe will only replace the intake itself. It will not replace this, which for me I like. Some people might want to change that. I don't. I mean, it has these bellows in it and that might be an issue, but I don't think it's gonna make much difference in power between the SMB one and the factory one at that point. So the Afe looks like a pretty good kit. So far it's been pretty quality. I just replaced my MAF sensor. The minder, filter minder grommets back here, so I'm gonna hook that all up when I'm done. Nothing's really tightened up right now. So let me show you a side-by-side of the Afe and the stock one. So here's a side-by-side comparison. We got the Afe over here. And now one thing you might want to note is when I ordered this online, it says that this is a clear window. I don't know if I got an older version of it or whatever, but mine does not have a clear window. I kind of actually like this because it matches my truck, but just in case you wanted a cold, you wanted a, whoa, stand up. Oh well, let's just lay this down. But just in case you wanted a clear window there, this one did not come with it, so make sure you're getting the right one that has a clear window. Another thing I like about the Afe is you can run this open to get more airflow without having to use that big open top that's on the SMB. Another thing I like about this Afe is that you can leave this open right here, and it comes with a little plug to cover it up if you're in dusty conditions, but under normal conditions you can leave this open and get more airflow in this way, whereas with the SMB you either have to have it sealed or take the whole top off, which I'm sure when you take the whole top off it's going to get a lot of airflow, but I wouldn't really want to run it all the time with the top completely off. Other than that, I mean, it seems pretty similar to stock, so hopefully it fits in there real nice. Oh, and here is the little plug that it comes with that you can put over this, so you can seal this up like so. Or pop it out, you want more airflow, which that's how I'm gonna run it, of course. Well, this needs to go over here. Put this one on this side. The kit came with this little grommet right here, and I cannot figure out where this goes. And I guess I could go look at the directions, but I don't want to. Just gonna put it in and see what happens. It's gonna be a little interesting how to get this in here. Very interesting. Good one. It's in there. Another thing that's cool about this kit is this little, I don't know if you can see this, but the little snorkel air breather on the front of the stock one. This AFE also has provisions for that. So let me get that. So this little rubber breather that comes off your stock one, this one has a spot for it. Let's see. Then you just stuff it in here. Let's go with the map. That's in. Can't tell if this thing is getting tight or not. That one's tight. This one's not tight. Feel that out a little better. Oh yeah, it's tight. AFE is in. And I did go with also the dry filter, not the oiled one. Mainly because I'm lazy and I don't want to oil filters. The oil ones are better, but I'm just too lazy for the oiled. I'm just too lazy. Oh, well, let's go under there still. Everything's secure. Nice. Let's start him up, see what it sounds like. All right, boys and girls, we got everything cleaned up. This is a finished product. Put my carb sticker right there because California will shut me down if I don't have that. That's what sucks about living out here in Cali. So let's fire it up. Let's see what we got. Don't really sound any different here. Shouts out MBRP. Well, that's a wrap. We are done. Sounds good. Let's give it a little gas. Give it a little gas. Hold on. Sounds like it's ready for action. So I'll do a test drive later, maybe another clip, kind of tell you about when I go over like the performance upgrades of the truck. I'll give a my little review of this AFE cold air intake. But until then, it's your boy OD from Mad Trucks. I'm out.